Okay, so how to calculate the area of the triangle? First thing to do is we have to learn how to derive the formula of finding the area of a triangle. Given the shape, okay, so this is a rectangle. So we all know that the area or the formula of finding the area of rectangle is length times the width, all right? So if I'm going to divide it into two equal parts to make a triangle in this shape, so I'm going to cut it in here. Okay, so I'm going to cut it. So the result is I have two triangles. Okay, so that's it. So we divide it into two equal parts to make two triangles. Okay, so let's say the length is 8 inches. Alright, and the width is, let's say this is 4 inches. Okay, so to calculate the area of rectangle, it is length times width. Alright, it's length times width. So the length is 8 times the width is 4, so this is 32 inches square. All right, so from this rectangle we divide it into two equal parts to make two triangles, right? So the same length with the same length. So this is 8 inches, and then this is also 4 inches. Okay, so the area of this in total is 32 inches square, right? Now if we divide it into two, 32 inches square will become 16 inches square here, and then the other triangle is, the area is 16 inches square. Okay, because the area of the rectangle is 32 inches square, so we just divide it into two equal parts. So what do you notice on how to derive the formula for finding the area of triangle? So therefore from that we can simply put that area, so area of triangle is equal to length, we can simplify it as simply as L times width, or the W, divided by 2. Okay, from the area of rectangle, so length times width, and then we just divided that by 2. So we got the formula now. So to check if the area of this triangle is 16 inches square, so we can test that area of this triangle is equal to length is length times width divided by 2, where the length of this triangle is 8 and then the width is 4 inches divided by 2. Yeah, so 8 times 4 is 32 divided by 2, so the area of this triangle is 16, right? 16 inches square. But what if the given triangle is not a right angle triangle? Okay, so what if it's not a right angle triangle? Remember, we have different kinds or different classification of triangles according to its angle and its side. Okay, so for example, triangle, so it's isosceles triangle according to its side. Okay, and let's say this triangle, so we have different kinds of triangle according to the angles and its sides. Okay, so to simplify the formula of a triangle, okay, so remember earlier we discussed about the derivation of formula of finding the area of a triangle. Length, and then this is the width according to the rectangle. Now this one is triangle, so this side of the triangle is called the base. All right, the base, and this side of this triangle is called the perpendicular height, okay, or simply the height, but it's in general it's called perpendicular height. Okay, so the formula of area of triangle is area of triangle is equal to base times the height. Okay, base times height divided by 2. All right, so in this case this side of this triangle is called the base. So where is the height or the perpendicular height? So this is the perpendicular height. All right, so this is the height of this triangle. Okay, so let's say the base is equal to 10 cm, okay, and the height is 12 cm. Okay, so what is the area of this triangle? So area is equal to, what is the base? Remember, base times height divided by 2. So base is 10 cm times the height is 12 cm. So 12 cm divided by 2. So what is 10 times 12? So 10 times 12 is 120. Yeah, divided by 2. So 120 divided by 2 is 60 cm. Remember, this is area, so your answer will be in square. So the area of this triangle is 60 cm square. Okay, another one. So given this triangle, so the base of this triangle, let's say this is 7 cm. Okay, 7 cm. And where is the height of this triangle? So the height of the triangle is, the perpendicular height is from the vertex of the triangle going directly to the base. Okay, perpendicular height, so let's say this is 5 cm. Okay, so 5 cm, so area of this triangle is, area is equal to 5 times 7 divided by 2, right? So what is 5 times 7? So 5 times 7 is 35. So it's 35 divided by 2. So what is 35 divided by 2? So the answer is 17.5 cm square, right? So the area of this triangle is 17.5 cm square. Okay, now can you try to solve this problem? Let's say the base of the triangle is, let's say it's 9 cm, and the perpendicular height is, let's say, 8 cm. So what is the area of this triangle? Okay, so let's check your work. So area of this triangle is, base is 9 times 8 divided by 2. Okay, so I will do simple shortcut. I can do this. 2 is divisible by 2, which is 1. 8 is divisible by 2, which is 4. So all you have to do is 9 times 4 is 36. So cm square. So the area of this triangle is 36 cm square. Did you get the same? Excellent. So that's all for today. Okay, so remember the general formula for finding the area of the triangle is base times the perpendicular height of the triangle divided by 2. Okay, again, so area of triangle is base times height or the perpendicular height divided by 2. So hope you learned from this lesson. Till next time, bye bye.